Oh, Christmas tree, oh, Christmas tree. Been wondering just what you mean to me. Oh, Christmas tree.
Hi and welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to be testing out the LA Dreams palette by Makeup Obsession. I've not tried any of their products yet, and I'm quite intrigued actually because I've seen quite a few, really good palette reviews on various palettes that they do, and I wanted to give them a try for myself. They're part of the Makeup Revolution range. I think it's like either a sister company or obviously part of their company that they've just given another name. But yeah, so to be honest, if they're anything like a lot of the Makeup Revolution palettes, then we're on to a winner. So yeah, so this is one I'm going to be trying out. I'll give you a quick look. So this is one that appealed to me because the colours inside were really nice actually, and I've just seen it for the first time because I got it from Boots, and in Boots at the moment, obviously with COVID and everything, they haven't got tester palettes out, so you kind of have to just gauge it from the picture. And as you probably know from ordering online and things like that, the pictures aren't often what they are in the actual palette. I mean, they are obviously roughly, but they're never the same as seeing them in person. So this is what we are looking at. So lots of pinks, purples, greens, nice. So if I take the plastic off, right, so these are the colours. Really does give me Colourpop vibes actually, and yeah, I'm liking them a lot. So I'm going to try and create a look with this today. So I've done my base up until eyes, so I'm going to give these a whirl. Don't know what to try. I really fancy a green look, maybe with a bit of that gold colour. Yeah, let's do it. I'm going to go for some green. I haven't done green for a while. Right, okay, so the first colour I'm going to go into and just above my crease with this one here, which is called Surf's Up. Going with that. That's quite pretty. And then just above that, I think I'm going to blend in with this one here called Vibes, which is a slightly darker green. Okay, and then I'm just going to blend that.
My way, I'm in motion. Let's go to the ocean.
Like that. And then on the, I think all over the lid, I'm going to go in, what I'm going to do is start off going in with this quite pale mint green, which is called Smoothie Please. It's a really nice colour, but I think it's going to be too pale to have as like a main colour, so I'm going to pop that on first and then kind of use that as a base. Right, so then on this outer part of my eye, I'm going to go in with the really dark green down here, which is called LAX.
And I can promise Santa's coming to visit. No, he wouldn't miss this in Christmas times.
Like that. It's quite a nice colour actually. And then I'm just going to blend that. Yeah, like that. And then on the inner part of my eye, I'm going to go in with that really nice gold colour. So got quite a lot of green going on at the minute, so I'm going to kind of try and break it up a bit with that gold. So we're going in with this one here, which is called Venice Beach. So I'm going to try it with a brush. Hope that works. If not, we'll use the finger. my finger. That's a bit underwhelming. Let's try it with a finger. If not, got a backup plan. Don't like that. Right, it's a nice colour, but it doesn't really give me what I want with this look. So change of plan. LA Dreams, which is more of a rose gold, so down here. Huh. Nice, but not quite the impact I wanted. I'm going to wet my brush, I think. See if we get on with this. That's better.
Out on the beach without freezing.
Okay, so not too much fallout. So what I'm going to do is just brush away what is there.
We'll be chilling and having a good time.
Wish there was like a brown in here, because brown underneath would actually look quite nice, but there really isn't. The closest is that LA Dreams colour that I've put on the inner corner, but that's obviously more of a rose gold. Right, I think I'm going to do that top colour that I did, so Vibes. I'm going to put that one on, so the middle sort of green.
And I can promise Santa's coming to visit. No, he wouldn't miss it.
Yeah, it's alright, isn't it? Right, okay. Quite liking that actually. I think that's quite pretty. I like how these two colours have blended together. That's really nice. In a corner I might go in that Venice Beach, that first like goldy shade I showed you. We'll try that there. Yeah, that works better. Nice. Right, okay. So what I will do is go and do the other eye and the rest of my face, and then I will be back. So here you go. Here is the finished look. I have to say I really like it. I love this eyeshadow palette. I'm definitely going to try a few more of these, because I had so many different ones with different colours, and they're actually on offer at the moment. I forgot to mention that. Boots, they were only, I think they were £8, so absolute bargain. Oh god, I love it. I didn't mean to do that, but yeah, so I love these greens. The shimmers are really nice, the mattes are really nice, they blend beautifully. Absolute dream to blend. So yeah, I'll give you a quick close-up of the eyes.
Hold up, I am on my way, I'm in motion. Let's go to the ocean. Yeah, let's go outside.
So yeah, definitely recommend trying that out, and yeah, the others are just as good. So I've got a little hair growing up my nose, that's why I need to pluck it. So I hope you enjoyed watching. I hope you found it useful. If you did, please give me a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe and ding the bell for future notifications. I usually upload on a Monday, Wednesday and a Friday at around 6 PM. So I hope to see you there. Thanks for watching. Bye.
It will always be Christmas in